Hello YouTube. For those who are using Civil 3D API, this short video will explain the differences between assembly and applied assembly, right? If you use 3D API in Dynamo or Python or .NET or whatever, right? This is a very important concept, okay? We all know assembly, but what is applied assembly? Okay, assembly, they are the same, right? Applied assembly is just how how Civil 3D using our assembly. Okay, so let's see an example. Let's new page. Let's see. We need to model a road, right, or open a channel or any line element, right? So let's sketch. Let's see, we have, this is the road, right? So what we need, what data, what component, how we're going to model this road, right? We need alignment, we need profile, and we need an assembly, right? Let's draw the assembly, right? So we need an assembly, right? So basically what assembly is just, in this case in the road, it is typical cross section, right? So the dimension is just the default dimension, right? And the slope values, right? But how Civil 3D going to use this assembly, right? Okay. So let's say you have alignment, profile, and surface and assembly. Okay. Yeah, let's see. So let's see, this is the surface, okay? And basically, first step Civil 3D going to do is combine alignment and profile to create 3D polyline, okay? So yeah, this is, in this yellow line is this 3D polyline, right? And second step is apply assembly, right? Apply this assembly, okay? So yeah, apply assembly using this 3D polyline as a center line and as an attachment point for the assembly as target, okay? But first of all, we need to define in corridor, we need to define frequencies, right? In corridor parameter in Civil 3D, you define frequencies, right? How many stations in a meter or 100 meter, right? So yeah, so after that, Civil 3D start applying this general assembly, right? General cross section, okay? At every station, it start applying using this target and other targets like offset target, vision target, right? So at each station is different. We have different assembly, right? So this called, and after that, CVC connects point. So this called applied assembly, right? So it is just the same. We apply the concept. We're giving the CVCD in the corridor. Yeah, that's it. So in short, what is the difference? Assembly is user-defined. Applied assembly is auto-generated, right? And assembly is a sketch, okay? What do you mean by sketch? Sketch means it's a concept, okay? And blueprint, right? And applied assembly is real dimension, right? And real coordinates, right? Yeah, that's it. This is the difference between assembly and assembly. Thank you.